Okay, the pre-hose down is done. Still pretty filthy. I'm gonna see how the foam works. Maybe we will have to vacuum it after this with another cleaning. We'll see. But the can also comes with this, which you can use this to kind of gently clean the fins after you foam it. So you shake the foam real good and then you spray it. I already pre-shook the foam, so some of it I was just doing for demo. So shake it up pretty good for about a minute. And then you use it. Start from the top. The foam will all go down. So you can see where you haven't done yet. All right, I'm gonna shut this off and foam.